Hello! Come on in. Welcome to our humble abode. This is our new apartment. And I'm going to show you around a bit. So our tenant literally just moved out a few days ago. So there's absolutely nothing in here, but everything is going, apart from walls. So if you want to come with me. This is our living space. And over here, we are going to be doing the dining area. What I'm thinking is building a bench seat here in this corner, having a beautiful pendant from the ceiling and like this big dining table. We really like to host, so that'll be really cool. And then not too sure what we're going to do in the living space yet, but obviously TV, couch, that vibe. And all of this carpet is going as well. We're going to put floating floors in. Probably laminate, not sure yet, because we have to get an acoustic engineer in. But something nice and bright and light, but kind of warm. And then this is our kitchen. This whole kitchen's going. Apart from the oven and the stovetop, because they're actually they're like newish, so we're going to save a bit of money by reusing them. But yeah, everything's going. Putting in new cabinetry, new floors, new handles, you know, everything that a kitchen needs to be new splashback. We're going to replace these with oyster lights because I feel like that's super dated. Bless you. Okay, do you want to come see some bedrooms? Yes, you do. Our master bedroom. It looks a lot smaller with no furniture in it, but it's actually a pretty roomy room, balls. And then nice cupboard space with mirror. I'm gonna replace these with some lovely brushed brass little knobs. That's gonna be a little DIY project, which is gonna be fun. And we have our own little balcony, which is getting repaved. So I'm super excited about that. It's gonna look nice and modern. And this is our laundry. I'll let you just scope that out. This is gonna get new cabinetry and like a nice kind of wooden bench top that we will like 100% like laminate or lacquer or whatever you call it, so that it's all waterproof. And some funky tiles from Tile Cloud. I think I showed you them before. Anyway, this is the bathroom. I'll let you scope that one out. So, I'm not sure how much you can really see on the camera because it's a pretty small room, but this is all changing as well. Everything is going to stay in the same spot. So, in order to save money, and not have to like move plumbing and stuff like that, everything's still going to be in the same spot, but it's all going to be completely new and it's going to be amazing and yay. And then this is the second bedroom. Yeah, so this is going to be the study or maybe a kid's room one day. It's got amazing storage again. There's lots of good storage in this apartment, so that's like amazing. I'm not sure what we're going to do with the windows yet, like what covering we're going to do, but yeah. That is the tour of the empty apartment. Oh, I didn't show you the balcony. Maybe I'll show you that another day. Yes, excited for the transformation and also to bring you guys along on it. Yeah, I hope you like this little before showing.